Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Tasa, T-A-S-A. It's a ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. So it is called like that, Tasa, because it encrypts files and then appends a special Tasa extension to the file names. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In this video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. And I will also give you some recommendation on how to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. Of course, I will also help you to remove this ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, as you have just clearly seen. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this ransomware called Tasa may be pretty easily injected into the system. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Tasa ransomware encrypts files and then it appends this special Tasa extension to the file names. As a result, it's indeed impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea, and this does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your funds. Don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start the application and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Now, I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but this feature does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files encrypted by the ransomware. But Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting this ransomware and removing it effectively. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually. Premium license is a much better solution, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.